Friends, hello everyone. It's a pleasure to welcome you to this channel. And in this video, I will show you and also tell you how you can easily take a long snapshot of a chat in the Instagram app on your iPhone. Friends, please subscribe to our channel. Be sure to write your comments and put your likes under this video. And let's get down to our topic. First, friends, I recommend that you go to the App Store app on your iPhone. Here you'll need to type in the word Zida, then search, scroll around a little bit, and then you'll come to an app called Zida Stitch. You will need to right here click on the word download or download. Once you download this app, click on the word open, and then accept all the terms and conditions of this app and also give it access to your gallery. After that, friends, go to the phone settings on your iPhone. Swipe down a little bit here and go to Control Center. In the Control Center, you'll need to make sure that a shortcut called Screen Recording is added to your Control Center. If that shortcut is not added, then find it in the bottom list of shortcuts and just click on the green plus sign next to it. This way, it will be added immediately. Next, exit the settings. Go to the Instagram app. And this is where you will need to go to your conversations. When you're ready to go to a particular chat room, then swipe down from the top, tap on the recording screen, and as you can see, in 3 seconds, the screen recording will start right away. Once it's started, swipe up, go to some dialogue, and here you'll have to swipe up a little bit at a time, just like that, just a little bit at a time. When you're done swiping up, stop. Also swipe down on the right side from the top and stop your screen recording. Next, log out of Instagram. Go to the Zida Stitch app and as you can see, automatically you will switch to the last video you made on your iPhone. Next, you will need to crop your screen recording. To do that, you'll need to slide these blue boxes at the bottom. To crop. When you see that you've cropped just the way you wanted, click Next at the top. Wait for your long screenshot to be ready. Next, click Save. Once you've saved your screenshot, then you can easily send it to someone else as well, and you can go to the gallery where you can see your long screenshot right away. Friends, this is the way to take a long screenshot of your Instagram chat on your iPhone. I really hope this video has been helpful and useful to you, friends. Please put your likes, write comments, subscribe to the channel, and see you soon.